Hey, where are we off to, girls?
Hideaway Bay!
Woo! Welcome to Hideaway Bay, about 45 minutes north of Early Beach on the Whitsunday coast. Hideaway Bay is nestled between Cape Gloucester to the north and Dingo Beach to the south, which are both close by and well worth a look. We had a great couple of days here. There's plenty to see and explore, especially if you've got a boat. We stayed at the Hideaway Bay Caravan and Camping Park, where it was just a short walk down to the beach, where we spent time fishing and exploring the coastline. What you got? What you got? Nah, I think it's got more go than a shark. Oh no, it's another black tip. Good job! Good job, Nelly! Woo! Here we are at Dingo Beach. Just having a look. It's around the corner from Hideaway Bay where we're staying. Looks pretty nice. You got a what? What? Got a turtle just off the beach. Oh, this is stunning. About 10 minutes down the road is Dingo Beach, with the boat ramp, some beautiful beaches, a general store and a service station. It was a really handy little spot to resupply without having to drive all the way into Early Beach. We also made a day trip into Early Beach where the kids had a great time at the playground and lagoon before heading out to Cedar Creek Falls to check out the waterfall. Today we're going to test out the tinny. We haven't tried it before, so today is the day. Fingers crossed it goes well. Hi guys.
Hi!
After a lot of swearing and sweating, we're ready for action. Oh,
Half an hour later.
oh, to have a boat trailer. Anyway, it looks like a nice day. Hey Pearly! Captain Pearl at the helm. Here we are heading to a deserted beach. Here we are at Dryden National Park, only accessible by water it seems. Mum's gonna catch a mangrove jack. Go Mum!
Go, Mum.
Found a little creek up here.
More like red on the front.
Mum's secret spot. Get a big one. Cute little inlet. Possibly with crocs in it.
The middle.
Everybody put your back into it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, oh.
Oh, that's not funny.
Oh yeah. Important life skills there, Pearly. Have a look at the teeth on this guy. How cool. All right, let's release him.
Oh no. Not again. I think he's swimming.
He's swimming.
Yay, he's alive!
Just up the road from Hideaway Bay is Cape Gloucester, which was probably one of my favourite spots. The coastline is beautiful and we stopped in at the Gloucester Bay Resort for dinner and a drink. The whole area just felt like it was stuck in a bit of a time warp. Really laid back, quiet and relaxing. And then for us, having the boat made it even better. Being able to get out and explore the islands and coastline was definitely one of my highlights. All in all, we had a great couple of days at Hideaway Bay. It's a beautiful, relaxed part of the Whitsundays and somewhere we definitely come back to.